Hey Geek, so quick video here. If you just installed the latest version of the Kdenlive video editor, for anybody who's been using this long, you might have noticed a change, and it is an annoying change to me. So previously up here in my toolbars, there was a render button. So right now, if I go to view or actually project, here's render, but I don't want to actually have to go here or use a shortcut. I actually want it here on my toolbar, which was here before. So where is it and how can you have it up here? Well, it's actually under settings and then toolbar shown and then choose main toolbar. And once you do that, you should see some additional items. And if you actually wanted the render button to show up here, what you would have to do is you go here to your project and then under render, right click on your mouse, add to toolbar, and then you can add it to the main toolbar or extra. I'm going to add it to the main toolbar. And there it is. So annoying. I don't know why this change was made, or maybe it was there all the time. I just don't recall having to do all of that just to have the render button shown. But once again, you're going to have to go into your settings, toolbar shown, main toolbar, and then go here to your project render, right click on your mouse, add toolbar, and add it to the main or extra. Obviously, you could do this first if you want, and then show the main toolbar. But I just thought that this is something that for some reason they changed, and it is annoying that it wasn't there. And initially I thought that they removed this option to show on the toolbar. Thankfully, they didn't. You just have to go through some additional steps to have this render button show up in the toolbar or the main toolbar once again. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my Kdenlive tutorials, tips, and tricks, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below.
Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.